This is a video for how to go about printing title blocks as PDFs in Autodesk Revit. To print as a PDF, we're going to go up to File and we're going to go to Print, and then I'm going to go to Print. And you'll know I have a physical printer that I could print to right here, but for the sake of what we're going to do today, I have an Adobe PDF Writer installed. You should probably already have one installed in there by default, but if by chance you don't, you can get one for your computer by just surfing the web and trying to find one. There's all these different ways that you can print what you see on your screen, and I can have current window selected, and current window means what I'm looking at right now. So if I go to preview, I can actually see the current window that I'm looking at right now with how I have it. Now, if I, say, I just wanted to see how it looked, I could go up to close. But in this case, I want to print. So I want to go back to the print dialog box. I'm not going to say OK because I don't want to print just that. I have multiple views that I want to print. So what I can do is I can go down to selected views and sheets, and I'm going to go to select. Now, I already had some other ones selected in here, but the cool thing about Revit with this view sheet set is I can say, only show me sheets, and I only have one sheet. But I say, show me all the views too. Like, what if I had 32 sheets? I don't want to see all this stuff. So I could just unselect the views, and I could just select all of the sheets. I'm going to go to views and say, give me the floor plan, and give me the east elevation, and give me the north elevation. Just go ahead and give me those. And I'm going to say OK. Now, I want to combine all of these into one PDF file, not four separate ones. So remember, I selected four separate things. I don't want four separate PDFs. I want one PDF with those four things in them. So what we can do is come up to combine multiple selected views or sheets into a single file. And I'm going to check this box. Now I can change where I save them. I'm going to go ahead and save it where I have it already. And I'm going to go ahead and say OK. Now it says that, sometimes you get something weird show up because it was unable to connect to a specified printer. Try it again. And I'm going to go to File again, and I'm going to see if I can save this elsewhere. So we're going to go to Print right here, and I'm going to go back up to PDF, and I'm going to go to Browse and say, put this on my desktop for me. And I'm going to call this video 2 for the sake of discussion. And I'm going to go ahead and say OK. So what I can do now, since I've kind of saved that off the screen, is I'm going to go into Video right here and open it up. Now, if you have an Adobe Acrobat Reader created, this is what will come out as you scroll down. I have a couple small licensing issues with Adobe, but this is what I had right here before, and it has it all in one file. This is how you want your PDF to look. You chose those different views. Notice that it maximized the view to that sheet, and this is how you would go about utilizing that. So this has been a video for how to go about printing title blocks as a PDF in Autodesk Revit.